This is their goby tank. More of their unusual hybrids are in here. Panchaks, green neons, and then more of the same in here. These are 10-gallon tanks. Celebes half beaks in there. We try to have each tank with 5 or more species. Not all of them, but most of them. That's guppies. This is, come up tight on this one. Some tetras. It has, we found the source for female dwarf gouramics. So we've got,
Oh, wow.
we have some pairs of gouramics. There's a little frog swimming around. There are chromides in here. There are, what's a little dwarf ceramic? Sunshine. There's a big school of green neons in here. This tank has dwarf cichlids mostly. Crebensis. There's some epistos, rams. There's a little shabunkum. There is one wiro, and I think a few small chocolates. There's a botilla. I don't know what kind of batik, I think. This is sparkling gouramis, loaches, bleeding hearts, a lot of different things here. Bloodfin, a real mix. That's a good example of a very mixed tank. Monrios, cories. We're loaded with cories right now. We've got about 10 different species of cory. We even have glow tetras. Gotta have glow tetras. You got a fish store, you gotta glow tetras. Otherwise, children will hate you. And then the big tanks. This is a South American mostly, South American tank, but it has a few Osphornemus, which is the giant gourami. They're about 6 inches. Most of these guys are 2 to 3 inches. Electric blue caras, 3 to 4 inches maybe. These are Africans, assorted Africans. There's not much else. There are a few really nice oddballs in here. This is primarily rainbows, a lot of cory cats, some big Osphornemus, some gouramis. Mostly it's rainbows. So it's really kind of a peaceful tank. Probably my all-time favorite tank. It has plant-eating fish. These are some of the ultimate plant eaters. There are other plant eaters I will not keep. These I keep. These are Uaru amphicthardes. They're a South American cichlid. They're from the same water as the discus, and they're very, very similar to discus. They're redhead tapajos. Somebody brought in about 40 redhead tapajos. This is mostly Danios in this tank, about 5 or 6 different species of Danio. Platies. A few things mixed in with the platies. I don't remember what, frankly. This is an interesting tank. It's got a pair of shell dwellers and a Tanganjika shell dwellers, along with some platies. This is sword, mostly swords in this tank. About 3 or 4 different species of sword, the live bearer. And then down here is a colony of convicts. These are the blue, whatever they're called, the pretty one, that were born here about 2 months ago. There's an arowana swimming around back there.
That is cool.
I don't know if he's getting enough to eat. This is a geophagus tank primarily. But look right in the middle of this. You'll see those are hyphen swords. We've got a nice group of hyphen swords. They're big, they're about 3 inches, very colorful, and really a very, very pretty fish. About 5 or 6 different species of geophagus in here. This tank has a lot of oddballs in it. a lot of rice fish. There are two or three
Ooh.
species of rice fish in here, as well as some other nano fish. That's another aquatic tank. And I think there's something else in there, but I can't remember what it is we just put in that tank. Oh, yes, right there. The head starter pencil fish. It's a real mixed bag. There are endotetraes in here, as well as some of the licorice gouramis. We've got dragons and pikers and eels and other monster type fish in here.
Oh, that guy's cool.
Ornate piker. This is a 40-gallon cube with mostly tetras and barbs in it. And then this is a 75 with oddball cichlids primarily. It's got a large pair of chocolate cichlids. This tank is another 75. It's got more peaceful fish in it. Kissing gouramis, other gouramis, a lot of rainbows, some discus, angels, more serene fish, keyhole cichlids, nice rainbows. Great color in this tank. The rainbows really perk up. This is the monster tank. So mostly Malawi cichlids and some oddball plecostomus, plus some Central Americans. Neat tank. You see all the plants in there. It's a perfect example of what I was talking about. These are fish nobody ever keeps plants with, but they actually do extremely well, providing the plants have a good nutrient foundation, and there are enough of them that everybody's not attacking the only plant in the tank. And then this
one's my favorite.
this is the Amazon floodplain tank that demonstrates what the Amazon looks like in the rainy season. We have discus in there, angels, Congo tetras, a lot of cleanup crew kind of stuff, a lot of different fish in it. It's a 60 gallon, there probably are 50 fish in there. And a lot of them are bigger fish. And then I don't know if you can see the Abba Abba. There he is. Look, he's moving around. Oh, wonderful. He's showing off. How cool is that? That's about a 1 foot Abba Abba. Gymnarchus niloticus, the Nile River fish. Can't kick him with anything, but he's a magnificent fish. I'm just very, very happy to have him. He's in a 65 gallon tank, I think. There he is.
He looks like a living ribbon.
He does, yeah. His dorsal fin goes from his head to the tip of his tail, the entire length of his body. And he uses it like a ribbon. It looks like a ribbon. He can swim as fast backwards as he can forward.
Oh no, that's an
Thank you, Brent.